Me and Jake here on our first fishing adventure at Overpeck Park. Just got done picking up some worms. All right, we're all ready to go. You ready?
Yeah! I'm ready.
Ready to go on our adventure?
Yeah!
Right here, you wanna...
We go to the picture. Forward tail.
Here you go.
Whoa! You saw that?
I did.
I want my hand.
Yeah? Our goal for today, we're gonna catch ourselves up. What are we catching?
I saw that.
Let's go! Oh, do it. Okay, we gotta stay here. Wait. You ready?
They open.
Grab it.
I got it.
You just caught it, sir.
Put that in the boat. Put that in the boat.
Do I go in the water?
Yeah. He's dipping in the water. Whoa!
You caught it! Jakey just caught his turtle by hand.